Rhesus Negative Bloodline. What if the greatest clue to humanity's forgotten past isn't carved in stone or hidden in ancient texts, but quietly circulating in our veins, waiting to be understood? Rhesus negative blood remains one of science's quietest mysteries, a rare absence of the Rh antigen found in less than 10% of humanity, yet missing entirely from all known primate species. In a world where nature usually follows patterns, this single deviation stands apart, as if something or someone intervened. Scientists describe it as a simple mutation, an evolutionary quirk, but others believe it is far more deliberate, a marker, a code, an inheritance from a time before history began. Some suggest it is the genetic fingerprint of an ancient visitation, a sign left by those who shaped or altered the course of early human life. The old myths spoke of gods descending from the sky, of beings who walked among mortals, bringing knowledge, fire, and rule. Could those legends be fragments of a truth long buried? Clusters of Rh-negative blood are found where myth and mystery converge among the Basques of Spain and France, the Berbers of North Africa, and the Celtic highlands of Ireland and Scotland. These regions, steeped in folklore and ancient resilience, stand as living echoes of something that does not fit neatly within the framework of ordinary evolution. When an Rh-negative mother carries an Rh-positive child, her own body may reject the unborn life, recognizing it as something foreign. Nature rarely creates incompatibility within its own kind. Some say this is no accident. It is the remnant of a genetic divide, a biological boundary never meant to be crossed. Throughout history, royal dynasties and priestly orders have fiercely guarded their bloodlines. Marriages arranged not only for power or wealth, but perhaps to protect something older, something sacred. Was this truly about politics and empire, or the quiet preservation of a lineage not entirely of this world? Across ancient cultures, the same stories echo. Sky gods, divine rulers, beings of light and knowledge, who shared their essence with humanity. Could Rh-negative blood be their trace, the faint genetic whisper of their existence still flowing through us? Science can describe what it sees, but it cannot yet explain what it cannot measure. The Rh-negative bloodline defies the expected path of evolution, no trace in other primates, no fossil record, no clear mutation. It simply appeared. Those who share it often describe heightened awareness, intuition, and sensitivity to energy or emotion. Many claim resistance to certain illnesses, unusual healing abilities, or even subtle electromagnetic responses. Whether these are coincidence or consequence, they persist consistently to ignore. Rumors tell of governments and research groups quietly tracking the Rh-negative population, studying what makes them different. If it were meaningless, why the secrecy? Why the quiet collection of data and blood samples? This rare bloodline continues to appear in the halls of influence and power, in royal families, and in histories that refuse to die. It exists like a quiet thread woven through civilization, unseen yet unbroken. If DNA is the script of creation, then Rh-negative blood may be the hidden annotation that rewrites the story of who we are. Is it mutation or message? A random anomaly or the signature of ancient design? Perhaps the truth has never been lost, only overlooked. Perhaps it is not buried beneath the earth or locked in myth, but encoded within us, pulsing, remembering, waiting, the unmixed blood, the unseen hand, the unspoken inheritance that still flows through us all. And the question that lingers in every heartbeat: who are we, really?